Assalamu alaikum, Educationists of Pakistan, EOP, presented the first ever international online conference on education. So, what are you waiting for? Come, watch, and learn.
So, it's time to move towards the next guest, and the next guest is on the board. Either shall we? The next guest?
Adil Darwish.
Okay. Well
Okay.
renowned.
Miss Kawal, yes. Okay.
Right. So Adil Darwish with his great topic, 6 hats to be a successful digital educationist. Right. So Adil Darwish is a CEO Learning Byte and Powerhouse Sabak, LED consultant, Principal Pace College, first entrepreneurship college of Pakistan. So we all welcome Adil Darwish.
Thank you so
Okay.
much. Assalamu alaikum and good evening. I hope you are having a good time. And I would like to have a session interactive one so that we together can learn something in the next 25 minutes. Thank you so much, Sumaila, Waqas, Nazia, and the entire team for organizing this wonderful session. And many congratulations on the successful online let's say conference which you are organizing it, connecting local people locally and internationally.
Thank you so much.
Moving on to my topic in this session, it talks about the 6 hats to be a successful digital educationist. During this time period of the pandemic, we have seen the teachers have played different roles, not only to equip themselves with their digital skills. On the contrary, they have played a role to convince the students and the participants. It makes a very important thing. Okay, you have to be having a different hat so that you can perform your task and job really well. This is a session which I've extracted from the a theory of the Edward D. Bono, and he talks about that there are 6 hats every individual has to wear while running any sort of a task, or either it's an operational, teaching, mentoring, or even the personal life. Unfortunately, on one hand, we are telling people that promote the critical thinking skills, promote the innovative skills, the problem-solving skills, and all other sort of skills. But on the contrary, our curriculum is not allowing us to move out of the box, which is already been defined in the syllabus and the curriculum. So this session will lead you towards the way that where you will be seeing that what's the role you being the educators have played and should be playing it in the way forward as well. हम कहते हैं लोगों को उर्दू में कि टोपी पहनाना, ये नहीं कहते कि हम खुद भी टोपी पहने थे. The fact different roles हम सुबह से शाम तक परफॉर्म कर रहे होते हैं. कुछ sometimes we are putting on some caps and sometimes we are putting off those caps. Question is that what these different caps or hats are and how to put it on and when to put it on, which color cap, that's important. So we'll be discussing that. I'll be taking just one example throughout the next 20-25 minutes so that you can be in a better position to develop the parallel thinking and the comparative thinking. And the most importantly, the most common example is that making the students learn online, especially when you move from offline to online way back in March 2020. The first hat which I'm talking about over here is the blue hat, Neeli Topi. Being the educationist, being the teacher, irrespective, you were not there in the leadership role, but you have played actually, and you were supposed to play it, or you were expected to play some roles as a leader so that you can do the smooth transition from you can say the legacy-based teaching system to the online system. If you talk about the blue hat, this is the hat which every individual must have, because that is also known as the organizational hat. You need to have a bird's eye view. अगर आप जहाज की 10,000 फुट की बुलंदी पे जा रहे हैं, if you're flying at 10,000 feet height, automatically you will be seeing the entire world, the trees, the plants, the earth, the people roaming around, the things which are there. But if you're standing at any particular place on land, then definitely you will not be seeing the big picture. Being an educational, it's really important that you see the big picture, as because you are supposed to deal with different stakeholders. If stakeholders means the different people who have the direct or indirect vested interest in your teaching and learning. If you talk about the stakeholders, the one is the internal stakeholders, which talks about the teachers, the educationists, the colleagues, the principal, the section in charge, the minor staff of the school, and the students. But when you talk about the external stakeholders talk about the family of the student, the parents, the community, and the other outsiders who do not have the direct vested interest in the school and your specifically the teaching and learning. In case of the organizational hat, this is a hat which controls the other 5 hats. ये वो टोपी है जो दूसरी 5 जो है वो कंट्रोल करती है. When you are sitting in the leadership position, in the leadership seat, you always look towards the summary. You first look at the result, the conclusion. You draw the conclusion. If your conclusion is in favor, you say, okay, it's fine, we are ready to move on. But if your conclusion is not in favor, then you need to go into the details, the nitty-gritties. Okay, why is it's not as per the expectations? Being a leader, I suggest you should be asking yourself 5 questions. The first question comes in, what was planned? If you're teaching, आप अपने आप से पूछें क्या plan था? What was planned? The second question, which is important while using this hat, is what went right? क्या सही हुआ? The third question which you need to ask yourself while wearing this hat is what went wrong? क्या गलत हुआ? क्या plan था? क्या सही हुआ? क्या गलत हुआ? The fourth question which you need to ask yourself while wearing this hat is why it went wrong? क्यों गलत हुआ? या क्यों as per plan किया? And the last question which you need to ask yourself is what can be done to fix it or what can be done to improve it? I repeat my 5 questions. What was planned? What went right? What went wrong? Why it went wrong? And what can be done to improve it? If you have the answers to five of these questions, then I can guarantee you can be a very good effective leader, either face to face or digitally. Like I said, this hat is basically the master hat of all the other 5, which we'll be discussing in a couple of minutes. This is the one which makes you learn how to manage the resources. Teachers से आपने हमेशा complaints सुनी होगी. You must have heard the complaint from teachers that we have the limited resources, limited time, have to complete the syllabus, don't have the academic resources. There is an art. This is a time period where you need to think how to optimize your resources and what can be done with the effective use of this hat, so that you can make the good control of what was planned. इसके लिए करना क्या है? What can be done to have a command on this hat? Number 1, set your agenda. That's the timing. The time is very important. I'd like to ask the participants over here. If I ask you, there are 2 terminologies. One is known as the urgent and second one is known as the important. I appreciate if you can write in the text box and let me know how do you think these 2 terminologies are different? Are these same or different? Urgent and important. I'm looking for the active participation. Do you think that these 2 terminologies are same, urgent and important, or these 2 are different? If yes, why? And if no, why? Farzana says it's same. Okay. It's different. Okay. What about others? There's a lot of difference. अगर ये भी बता देंगे क्या difference है तो that will be great. चलो मैं बताता हूँ, because the time is short. Let me explain you what's the difference between them. Yes, you're absolutely right. What's different? Urgent things are always time bound. If you haven't done it right now, you cannot do it later. For example, the deadline for uploading the result online was 10th July, 11 p.m. If you haven't uploaded it yet, then you cannot do it later. Or maybe attending an online conference organized by EOP, live conference. If you're not be attending the live conference, then definitely you can miss out the chance to communicate bilateral communication. Urgent means something that needs to be done in the aspect of time. It can be important, it cannot be important. Like for example, I'd like to share one more example over here. The sale ending on a dog food today. तो पेट्स होते हैं आपके, पेट्स के खाने पे अगर सेल आज एंड हो रही है, सेल इज अ टाइम बाउंड, आज एंड हो रही है. बट डॉग फूड इज, इट कैन बी इम्पोर्टेंट, इट कैन नॉट बी इम्पोर्टेंट. बिकॉज इफ यू हैव अ पेट देन इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. If you don't have a pet, then it's not important. And there are some of things in our lives which are neither important nor urgent. For example, the gossip. अब कुछ लोग ये मुझे ये कहेंगे कि gossip तो बहुत जरूरी है. Yes, जरूरी है. It's a motivational factor, but that's a time waster as well. Maybe scrolling down your Facebook, that's even neither important nor urgent. So I'd like to share one thing over here, which you can obviously explore it later on. I'll write it in the text box as well. This is known as the Stephen Covey time management matrix. थोड़ा सा स्टडी कीजिएगा. It's very, very important theory. And Stephen Covey, by the way, is also the author of the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I'm sure you must have read that book. If you haven't, so I suggest do read it. So six thinking habit hats की जो बात हो रही है over here, the thing which we are discussing over here is that set the agenda, set the timings, decide on the next step, what's the next move, and ensure that your every move should be so perfect, taking into consideration that this is the last chance you have. You will not get this chance again. Keep everyone obviously in the focus, handles the request, do entertain that, handle the summaries and conclusion, ask for decisions. Whenever you are at leadership position, using this hat, you need to go towards the conclusion and the result. Let's quickly move on to the next hat. Next hat is the white hat. There are some people, there are some educationists which talks about facts and figures. They talks about right or wrong. They talks about what information is available, what not available. I'll give you one example. At the start of the session, I gave you the example that converting the face-to-face students online, that was a challenge. In the blue hat, your objective was to make students learn. In white hat, you need to ask how many of the students have the gadgets, how many have the access of the internet, how many have the paired learning, how many know how to use it. These are all facts and figures, right? So if you are working on any project, you have to use the multiple hats so that that project can be successful. You need to say, being an educationist in the digital world, so what information is available, what information you would like to have it, what is missing. If not, conduct the basic research. And more importantly, what's the disputed information? Maybe students have the gadgets but not the internet. Maybe the internet but not have the separate gadgets. It's just like a computer. कभी आपने कैलकुलेटर में किया 2 + 2 कभी 5 आया है? नहीं, हमेशा 2 + 2 4 ही आया. So it's just like a number game. When you play the number, you do the input, you'll get the equivalent proportionate output. For example, if you say that my 60% of the class have the access to the gadgets and the online, so that means 60% learning level or plus minus 10% can be ensured for that class. Because when you are aware of it, if 40% do not have the access to the gadgets, then how come you can ensure the learning of the 100% students? Obviously not. That's the fact. Let's come to the third hat very quickly. The third hat talks about the red hat. All alarming things are red. If you see in your surrounding, your fire truck, your ambulance, your fire extinguisher and a bride as well. Yes or no? So if you see, all alarming things are red. Yes, Bilkul, you can get the presentation, or you can just inbox me, email me. My email address is written at the bottom and it will be shown at the end as well. So you can just drop in an email, I'll send you, don't worry about that. Or I'll send to Shumaila and she'll forward. The point is that all red hats are the ones who talks about the emotions, who talks about the feeling. आपने बच्चे को ऑनलाइन जरूर कर दिया. You have converted student from legacy based to the online, but you need to be taking care of okay, what's the screen time he's spending in front of the screen for the online classes. ऐसा तो नहीं कि वो 6 घंटा बैठा हुआ है और उसकी आंखें दर्द हो रही है. ऐसा तो नहीं कि he is not doing any physical activity. ऐसा तो नहीं screen is very close to his eye. That's all. What feeling and intuition. The face-to-face classes, if you were taking it, you were taking it for 6 straight hours. But online, we know that it cannot be beyond 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Or with the breaks, not back-to-back classes. So the attention span for the online classes are comparatively shorter. So in emotions, you just talk about the emotions of the people. Imagine the red glow of a soaring fire. You are sitting close, feeling the warmth coming from the flame, but you need to stay away from that flame. Those can be based on the complex experiences, aren't always easily analyzed. And more importantly, they are the ones who leave the facts and figures aside, who leave the leadership position aside, and they are the one emotional intelligence comes first. Such type of people do work for the emotional intelligence, जिसको हम आजकल की ज़बान में mindfulness भी कहते हैं. Take no more than 20 to 30 seconds. They are the one who are the quick decision makers. There are certain scenarios in a life when you know that the eyesight of the students are getting weak. You just need a blink of an eye time period to just decide that either you should be continuing online classes or you should not be continuing online classes. That's the feeling which you must be seeing it, especially for the younger grades, KG 1, 2 and pre-nursery. Talking about the next hat, which talks about the black hat. Sometimes when you take the decision, you first think what is right, what is wrong, and along with that you see what can be the difficulties which may arise. वो ऐसी क्या चीज है जो arise हो सकती है. हो सकता है बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स आपको ये आकर कहें कि हम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते क्या. There may be parents who can say that we cannot give the individual attention to our younger one because I already have a twin son or twin daughter or twin child. There can be difficulties. Maybe the younger one or the student or the participants are not aware of how to operate that gadget or the e-learning system at which you're teaching. So the black hat talks about what are the possibilities or what are the probable hurdles or bottlenecks which may arise in future. Have you experienced the feeling your future seems to look like a black pit? Or maybe the troubles which may arise? Maybe the teacher not teaching with sincerity, the teacher who wants to hide the identity, or maybe students learning online may face a cyber attack, maybe the cyber bullying, or maybe going to other websites. That's all ifs and buts. तुम कहते हैं ना लेकिन अगर और मगर वो सब इसमें आएगा. Talking about यहाँ तक clear है, मुझे बताइए. On a scale of 1 to 3, how's the session going? 3 being the highest and 1 being the lowest.
It's going perfectly very well. No, it's very, very clear. And I would like the audience and viewers as well. अगर वो भी बताना चाहे अपनी राय का
on a scale of 1 to 3, how understanding or easy it's
No. It's perfect.
Perfect. Thank you.
3 out of 3.
Behtareen. Coming to the next thing is yellow hat. When you talks about ifs and buts, you always see the positivity. Continuing the same example, when you're converting a child towards the online learning, the positive thing which comes in your mind is that at least you are putting in a fair share to ensure the continued learning. At least you are justifying for the learning and development against the piece you're collecting it. At least you are passing on some benefit. At least you are contributing in a student's life. At least you are building some value. These are all the positives of the yellow hat. Talking about the yellow hat, a bright sunny day, sitting on a beach. Wow, that's hot now वो और बात है, but एक ठंडी हवा का झोंका हम सबको चाहिए. और जब तक धूप नहीं पड़ती है पौधों पे, तो पौधे कभी भी ग्रो नहीं कर पाते. You need to have the sunlight to grow. You need to have the rain to grow. You need to have a wind to grow. These all things are really, really important. This is yellow hat gives you the hope, the energy. They gives you the limelight, and more importantly, they give you the reason to live. They are the one. This is a hat where you need to play it, showing the others that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. You need to play a role in helping the others, where you show that after putting in this effort, you will be winning the game. That's the yellow hat. तो कहते हैं ना जादू की चप्पी. I'm sure you must have seen the movie Munna by MBBS. That's very important. And you need to play that role. And at times हम खुद भी वो लोग ढूंढ रहे होते अपनी जिंदगी में. अपने बच्चों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. Showing them the benefits, showing them the positive, showing them what the value is, showing them what's the potential gain they'll be getting, and more importantly, going for the idea generation. We have been saying that we are creative, or we need to be creative, which comes under the umbrella of the last but not the least, green hat. मुझे बताइए, how many of you think that you're creative? Yes, no में लिख के बताइए, do you think that you're creative or you're not creative? जल्दी से, I need to have the active audience. Yes, yes, yes. मुझे नाजिया प्लीज बता दे मेरे पास कितना टाइम है, वरना तो माइक और स्पीकर मेरे पास आता है तो फिर टाइम निकल ही जाता है.
अच्छा जी, let me check it, then I tell you.
8 minutes. Yes, okay. People think that they are creative. Okay, fine. Let's do one quick example. This activity is known as the 50
Excuse me.
second activity. जी नाजिया.
Almost at 10 minutes, yes.
चलें, बेहतरीन, बहुत है.
Okay. जी.
This activity is known as the 50 seconds activity. In this 50 seconds, I'll be saying a word, and whatever thing comes in your mind, you have to draw. अगर नहीं है पेपर पेंसिल तो जल्दी से ग्रैब कर लीजिए ताकि वो ड्रॉ करें और मैं भी देखूं कि क्या होता है. मैं दोबारा स्टेप रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. This activity is known as the 50 seconds activity. After every 10 seconds, I'll be saying a word. You have to draw a word. Ready? Yes? No? Yes? Done. Okay. My first word is, I'll be writing the word as well. अगर किसी की आवाज का interruption हो. Okay, if you are outside, then you can obviously think in your mind. My first word is baby, बच्चा. बताना नहीं क्या है, अभी सिर्फ ड्रॉ करना है या सोचना है. My first word is baby, बच्चा. My second word is home या घर. My second word is home या घर. My third word is गाड़ी, car. गाड़ी, car. My fourth word is income, दौलत. My fourth word is income, दौलत. And my last word is innovation. My last word is innovation. Let me take a quick feedback. पहला जब हमने लिखा था बेबी, कितने लोगों ने बेबी का फेस बनाया था, 2 आंखें बनाई थी, और या रैटल बनाया था या कोई स्कॉलर बनाया था? यस नो
Yes.
जवाब दीजिएगा. यस
Baby face.
बेबी फेस. ओके.
Yes, baby face.
ओके. कोई और चीज
And-
डिफरेंट बनाई थी
Yes,
किसी ने?
he's lying down.
ओके किसी और चीज बनाई थी? ज्यादा टाइम मिलता तो शायद डायपर भी बना देते उसका। टॉय रेटल ओके।
अच्छा किसी ने बॉटल भी बनाई है। ओके
बॉटल भी बनाई है ओके। रिकॉल माय मदर ओके ठीक है बेहतरीन। फ्लावर ओके दैट्स डिफरेंट गुलशन वेरी गुड। सेकंड वर्ड हमने बात की होम की। होम में कितने लोगों ने वो वाला घर बनाया था ट्रायंगल वाला जो मैं बचपन में सिखाया? ट्रायंगल वाला 2 खिड़की थी, एक दरवाजा था, पीछे दरख्त था, आगे जो है समंदर जा रहा था। और टाइम मिला होगा तो पहाड़ बना के चील भी बना दी होगी और सनराइज भी बना दिया होगा।
वेरी ट्रू।
ओके पीपल और क्या बनाया इसके अलावा घर में? बेड ओके। आई मेड अ हार्ट ओह वाओ इंटरेस्टिंग दैट्स डिफरेंट। फैमिली ओके फाइन। होम स्वीट होम ओके फाइन। फिर थर्ड हमने बात बताई गाड़ी की। गाड़ी में कितने लोगों ने ओवल शेप की या रेक्टेंगल शेप की गाड़ी बनाई? 2 गोल से जो है वो टायर लगाए और आगे लाइट चला दी या स्टीयरिंग बनाया? आई ड्रॉ कार ओके।
ड्रॉ कार
यस ओके। सीट बेल्ट किसी ने बनाया होगा। और पेट्रोल पंप मे बी अ लॉन्ग रोड फैमिली ओके फाइन। चौथा वर्ड हमने बात की थी रेक्टेंगल का ओके फाइन। फोर्थ वर्ड हमने बात की थी आई रोड एंजॉयमेंट रिलैक्स ओके लॉन्ग ड्राइव फरारी वाह क्या ख्वाब है ओके। आज तो वैसे गाड़ियों के प्राइस भी कम हो रहे हैं। फोर्थ वर्ड हमने कहा था इनकम। कितने लोगों ने जो है अपना बैंक का कार्ड बैंक डॉलर अशरफियाँ पैसे और अगर अम्मी अब्बू से लेते हैं अम्मी अब्बू बनाए या फिर अगर प्रिंसिपल से लेते हैं तो प्रिंसिपल कितने लोगों ने बनाया है? हाउस ओके कितने लोगों ने बनाया है? हलाल इनकम बिल्कुल हलाल तो बहुत जरूरी है वेरी मच नीडेड। इनकम टैक्स ओह भाई एफबीआर वाला है कोई ना हो इस ग्रुप पे। मनी नोट डॉलर्स बनाए होंगे आई एम श्योर। लास्ट हमने बात की इनोवेशन की। सच बताइएगा मैं दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ सच बताइएगा कितने लोग पहले 1-2 सेकंड्स के लिए ब्लैंक थे इनोवेशन में समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या बनाए और फिर जो है वो बल्ब बनाया हो कोई इस तरह की चीज बनाई हो। ओके ओके
मैंने फॉरी ब्रेन बनाया
ब्रेन या बल्ब या गैजेट या किस तरह की चीज कुछ भी नहीं ओके फाइन। सो ये एक टेस्ट था विच इज द इंटरनेशनली वैलिडेटेड टेस्ट। ये आप लोग अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ भी कर सकते हैं। जब हम क्लेम करते हैं ना क्रिएटिविटी इन ड्राइंग्स की वजह से और हम ही टीचर्स होते हैं जो बच्चे की क्रिएटिविटी को मार देते हैं अनफॉर्चुनेटली सॉरी टू यूज दैट वर्ड। और वही आज भी ट्रायंगल वाला घर बनना होता है जबकि हमारे घर वो ट्रायंगल वाले बिल्कुल नहीं है।
Very true.
Reason being why we have been trained away. This digital world have at least encouraged us to think out of the box. Make sure that घर आपका कुछ भी हो सकता है। आपकी एक झोपड़ी भी हो सकती है खुले आसमान के नीचे भी हो सकते हैं आप छत का टेरेस भी हो सकता है एक झूला भी हो सकता है एनीथिंग इट कैन बी। और जो वर्ड्स हम जिंदगी में ज्यादा सुन रहे होते हैं बार बार बचपन से जिसमें बेबी है जिसमें हाउस है जिसमें कार है तो हमें एक स्टीरियोटाइप डिजाइन बना हुआ है हमारे दिमाग में। लेकिन जो वर्ड्स कम सुनते हैं इनकम इनोवेशन तो हम सोच रहे होते हैं डिफरेंटली क्या करें। आपने देखा होगा यहाँ पे लोग बहुत डिफरेंट जवाब आते हैं आखिरी के 2 वर्ड्स के। तो मेक श्योर करें कि जब भी आप कोई कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाएं बच्चों को आस्क देम टू ड्रॉ so that you see how diverse this class is. The more the diverse class is, the better healthy environment will be creating in the classroom. I hope so that you'll agree to it. So the green hat encourages you to put in the efforts so that you think out of the box, come up with the innovative solution. This is the time period of the startups. This is the time period of the entrepreneurship. I suggest let them think out of the box. वो ट्रायंगल वाला घर ना बनाए कुछ भी बनाए वो बनाने दो उनको. Let them think their way. In this case, you need to ask them to come up with the alternatives. You need to ask them to go for the creative efforts. You need to make them experiment all the possibilities which are there in life so that they may be in a position to overcome difficulties and definitely they can bridge the gap which is already there. Concluding my session is that the key pointers to remember is that number 1, think in a different style using the different hats. Not necessarily that you must be thinking in the same way all the time, depends on the situation. Number 2, encourage the parallel thinking. Number 3, simplify the thinking, promote the creativity. Thank you so much. That's it from my session. My email address, my number is written. If anyone needs the presentation, you can drop in the email. Otherwise, I'll share Shumaila. She'll definitely forward. Like Shumaila said, that I'm heading a couple of ventures. Just a little announcement, if Shumaila you allow me. इजाजत है मुझे Shumaila?
Yes.
Sure, thank you.
Yes, you can.
We are offering the first year and second year admissions are open in Commerce and Computer Sciences. Our college is located in Clifton Block 8. थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट इसलिए हम लोग खुद भी क्रिएटिविटी इनोवेशन को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोट करते हैं एंड 4 सब्जेक्ट्स व्हिच वी आर टीचिंग टू आवर स्टूडेंट्स इन एडिशन टू द इंटर करिकुलम इज द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, रिसर्च, digital literacy and communication and leadership. The best thing about the college is that what we have implemented this academic model, and along with that we have the strictly no home tuition policy. Our students don't go to home tuition. We believe in whatever we'll be teaching it, that is sufficient for them and they should be living a balanced life. And last but not the least, thank you so much once again EOP for giving me this opportunity and I really enjoyed it. अगर कोई सवाल है तो आप please पूछ सकते हैं.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It was really amazing. It was really interesting and amazing session. And you are very right.
And as you
कि
said,
हम
you are enjoying.
innovation पे काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. Yes, Nadia.
As you were saying, he enjoyed a lot and literally we all enjoyed very much. बहुत मजा आया और सीखने को भी मिला. और आपने हमसे मुझे ना ख्याल आ रहा था कि how would we manage to, जिस तरह उन्होंने एक्टिविटी करवाई है 15 सेकंड वाली, तो it was truly wonderful. बहुत मजा आया. Thank you so very much. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर.
Thank you so much.
और सवालात
कोई है अगर सवाल तो प्लीज पूछ लीजिए. Feel free to ask.
Adil, Mr. Charlie, I don't know from where, saying you hi.
Thank you so much, Charlie साहब.
Him in this video.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Okay, ji, thank you so much, and really, really nice.